What's up, everybody? Just wanted to make a video real quick on my 2022 Indian Chief with my custom shorted and gutted factory slip-ons. Also drilled out this hole back here, made it bigger to a 2-inch. It's not dead center, but it's alright. I'm not worried about it. This is somewhat of a cold start. Let's hear it. In my opinion, it sounds way better than the stock. Obviously, it's going to sound better than the stock. Yeah, I just didn't like the way the stock sounded. Way too quiet. Didn't let this 111 really sound the way it should sound, you know. And I did gut out the inside completely. I shortened this about 4 inches. Cut off the tip here. Shortened it. Welded it back on myself. I did repaint it. It's starting to fade there. It's nothing to touch up though. Yeah, let me know what you guys think.